If the pain recurs, it is important to treat it immediately. In order to find the right tension headache relief, it is recommended to seek the help of a qualified clinician who can evaluate specific treatments and find the cause of the pain. Mild to moderate tension headaches, on the other hand, can be relieved with simple relaxation techniques, over-the-counter medications, and simple stretches. In this video on parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you 4 stretches and some simple lifestyle changes to help relieve tension headaches. Stick around to the end. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. How to relieve tension headache. If you are under stress, tension headaches can come and go. Pain can be managed with over-the-counter medications such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or acetaminophen. For some people, a hot or cold shower can help relieve tension headaches. Resting in a quiet, cool room and covering the forehead with cool clothing can also reduce pain. There are some gentle exercises that can help relieve headaches associated with stress and tight upper back or neck muscles. Number 4. Chin tuck stretch. Poor posture, repetitive motions, and stress are common problems among office workers. Chin stretches help strengthen the upper back muscles and align the head. Do this exercise several times a day, even while sitting in your seat. To perform a simple chin tuck stretch, look straight ahead with your back in line with your head. Gently tilt your head forward toward your chest until you feel a slight stretch in your neck. Hold this position for about 40 seconds and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat several times. Number 3. Lateral flexion stretch. Side bending, from ear to shoulder, is designed to relieve tension in the neck muscles. Gently bend your neck to the left and try to touch your left ear to your shoulder. Stop when you feel a stretch on the right side of your neck. Use your hands to gently stretch further. Gentle pressure should not cause pain. Hold this position for about 30 seconds. Do it on the other side. Do 10 of these routines on each side. Number 2. Muscle relaxing exercise. Lie down, inhale, and exhale slowly. Rotate your head twice in a smooth circular motion, then roll your shoulders back and forth a few times. Repeat these movements until you feel the muscles relax. Take a deep breath and end with a slow exhale. Number 1. Wind relieving pose for tension headache. The wind pose is aimed at relieving the spine and neck area. This exercise can help eliminate excess gas from the body. Yoga Basics recommends this routine for relaxing poses for tension headaches. Lie on your back, and inhale with your knees close to your chest. Wrap your hands around your knees and grasp opposite elbows, forearms, wrists, or fingers. Tuck your chin into your chest and place your head toward the floor. Press your sacrum and tailbone into the floor, drawing your knees into your chest with your hands. Press your shoulders and neck down toward the floor and try to keep your back and entire spine on the floor. Relax your legs, feet, and buttocks. Inhale and hold for 4 to 8 breaths, inhaling deeply into the belly, actively pressing the belly against the thighs as you inhale. Release, exhale and drop your arms and legs to the floor. Make healthy lifestyle choices. A healthy lifestyle can contribute to overall health. It can also help with all types of headaches, including tension headaches. Here are the basics. Eat nutritious food regularly. Do not skip meals, especially breakfast. Drink plenty of water every day. Exercise regularly. Exercise releases chemical compounds in the body that block pain signals to the brain. Talk to your healthcare provider about exercise and choosing an enjoyable activity. These can include walking, swimming, or cycling. But be sure to start slowly. Overexertion can cause certain types of headaches. Enough sleep. Get up and go to bed at the same time every day, even on the weekend. Relax before going to bed. If you don't fall asleep within 15 minutes, get up and read or do something relaxing until you fall asleep. Avoid medications that contain caffeine or other stimulants that can disrupt sleep. This may include some headache remedies. Also, remember that sleep apnea can cause tension headaches, especially in the morning. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder where breathing stops and starts throughout the night. Seeing a healthcare provider and getting treatment for sleep apnea can help reduce symptoms. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine can help suppress headaches. But high daily caffeine consumption can cause headaches. In general, consuming more than 400 milligrams of caffeine a day, and more than 4 cups of coffee, can cause headaches and irritability. Regular caffeine intake can also increase the risk of headaches. Even giving up caffeine can cause headaches. This can happen whether you quit smoking suddenly or have cut back. Be aware of common pain relievers. You can buy painkillers in the shop. But if you use this medicine more than 9 days a month, headaches can be more difficult to treat. If so, please contact your doctor. Stop smoking. Nicotine in cigarette smoke reduces blood flow to the brain. It also causes a response from the nerves at the back of the throat. These changes can cause headaches. Keep stress under control. Stress and tension headaches often coexist. Try these simple tips to reduce stress. Simplify your life. Don't try to cram more activities or chores into your day. Instead, do as little as possible. Take a break. If you're feeling down, a slow stretch or a brisk walk can help reduce your stress levels. Breathe. Take a few deep breaths and count to 10 to reduce stress. Adjust your attitude. Think positive thoughts. Don't think that some things are impossible. Tell yourself you're up for the challenge. Let it go. Don't worry about things that are out of your control. Relax. Take time to relax every day. Try this deep breathing exercise. Lie on your back. Or sit comfortably with your feet on the floor and your hands in your lap. Imagine a peaceful place like a beach or a quiet forest. Keep this scene in mind. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply for at least 10 minutes. When you're done, sit quietly for a minute or 2. Try practicing these breathing exercises or other relaxation techniques every day. Keeping a diary can help you understand what's causing your tension headaches. Pay attention to when the headache starts and what you are doing. Also, note how long the headache lasted and what you can do to relieve the headache. A diary can help you see patterns in your daily habits that may be causing your headaches. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team. Wishing you a great day.